Now we will create model in Prota structure. We can remove this grid view from this window. Go to view, here go to active Windows settings and visual interrogation. Scene settings, this grid, click on OK. Define properties is in analysis option. Here we can see, here we can change these materials from here. Concrete column, this will be here 30 MPa, like this from here. So now we will draw our columns. First of all, here we can add another window, 3D view, vertical, this one 20 by 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter column. Now to this G, like this. Here we can alternate this windows. Now 200 by 400, this one. Now go to 500, this is in 0 degree. Here 600, number 8 and A5 grid, grid. Now 700, (22) members selected. So 22 number of columns we have modeled. Now we will model plinth beams. Draw here beam, width 200, depth 400. Here to here, right click, here to here, right click. Now 200 by 500. Now 600. Now here we want to make another beam. So for that one we have to draw auxiliary axis. This one we can offset this axis in this direction. Press F2 to enter the value 600 millimeter. Now this one we can change its property like hidden axis. This one. Now we will draw our beam here, 200 by 600. Here we can see this at 0 level, and foundation depth added here 1.8. Up above is also 1.8. So this height we will adjust. Building set out, edit history. Here we can type it 1500, and here we can edit the height 300 millimeter. Click on OK. Now here the total height from the base to clean beam top is 1.8 meter. Now here, from here we can remove our grid like this. Up to clean beam we have finished our modeling. Now these elements we can copy. Generate story, this one, selected members only, click on OK. Here we can see these two columns not replicated. Now this column and this column we will copy or replicate like this. This side also, this one, generate story, select this one like this. Now all the columns and beams replicated. Now here this beam we will delete. Now here we will change our beams. Here this one, properties 700, close. Now this is 200 by 700. This one 600, update. Now we will draw our slab. Go to here, slab, here we can see different types of slab. For 130 millimeter with one way slab, we will click on this. Like this. Here on hidden beam we need to add. This beam will be moved. In Prota structure you select this beam, move. From here you don't need to select the node, original node. Where you want to move that two node you have to select, then it will be moved. Now this one I will change it to 500 by 400 millimeter thickness. Now here another I will draw 1000 millimeter by 420 millimeter beam like this. Okay, now again we will go for slab 130 millimeter type this one, angle in this case will be 90, so that direction will be changed. Here 0 will be like this. One way slab finished. Now we will select this one, this one, this one, this one, 200, this one. Now here we can select the slab, set slab type automatically. This will choose the slab type automatically according to the model, where it is discontinuous or continuous. Click on OK. Now here we can check this one, this type 8, type 8. Here one is discontinuous. Here all is continuous. This type 1. Okay. Now our modeling up to ground floor roof finished in Prota structure. Now save this model.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.